How to fix Roblox Error Code 277. So, in case you encounter a problem that says lost connection to the game server, please reconnect. So, the very first thing to do is you just have to go to any web browser and then type Roblox status. And then there you will see if there is some problem with Roblox today. Okay, here you will see if there are some issues that needs to be fixed. But if everything is functioning well and everything is okay, what you want to do next is to simply restart or shut down your computer and start it again. Okay, so to do that, go to the support right here or start menu and then restart your computer. Now, once you open this one, log into your Roblox again and see if it somehow fixed the problem. Next is you have to make sure if your network connection or your Wi-Fi or your data is working well or you're connected to a strong internet connection. So to do that, you can go to a network settings or you can go to network troubleshooter, okay, and then see if your network status is okay. So here I want to open a network problems. Okay, tap this one, find and fix problems with internet connection. You troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, network problems, detecting problems. And if they have detected a problem here, all you have to do is to follow their instruction. But if everything is okay and no problem detected, so the next thing to do here is to simply uninstall and install Roblox. So to do that, go to the search bar and then type add or remove. Here you have to search for Roblox and then you will see a three dots at the top right corner or the right side, and then here you have to click and tap uninstall. Okay. And then after you have uninstalled this Roblox game, you have to go to any web browser and then type a Roblox download and then click the button that says download. Also, apart from that, you can go to the search bar and then look for Microsoft Store. And then there you have to look for Roblox game again, and then click get. Okay, so I really hope that after doing this methods, it will somehow fix the problem. Error code 277. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.